strong brain. Now I am going to give you some exercises for the right side strong brain people. So this is the first test, which is like jigsaw brain break. You have to make any of this A, B, C, D fit in this space. So let's see which one fits much better, like whether A is going, B is going, C is going, or D is going. So you can just write down your answer in this. Next is you have to rearrange these three toothpicks without bending or breaking in a way that it becomes nine. Okay. So as you can see, three toothpicks are there. You have to rearrange it in a way that it becomes nine. Okay, you just had 15 seconds. Next is, okay, I'll give you more time for this. You just have to count how many squares are there in this particular figure. Remember, you have to include each and every square, whether it is big square, small square, any square. So you have to tell me accurate number of square which are present here in this picture. I'm going to give you 30 seconds more to count the squares. And please let me know who can give correct answer for this in the comment. Because I want to know which person has got more strong right brain. Okay, so I hope till now everybody has counted the boxes and they are ready with the answers. Going to go with the next question. Ready all? Okay. Yes, now you just have to connect these points like what we get in our newspapers, like children's newspaper also, that you have to connect the points from A to B to C to D. But here I've given you a sequence. Like you have to try to connect the number 1 to A to 2, 2 to B, B to 3, and 3 to C. So let's see what you can make connecting this all the points. So if some figure you have to make and let me know after the test what you could make out of this. So 1 to A to 2, 2 to B, B to 3, and 3 to C. Okay, I hope everybody has got this too. And next is Stroop test. So I am following this slide. I am going to show you some colors name. Okay, so maybe colors name is will be written like orange. It will be written, but it will be in a black color. So you don't have to say orange, but you have to say black. Then black will be written, but it will be in brown color. Then you don't have to say black, but you have to say brown. Okay, I'll just give you one example for this. Like for example, here yellow is written, but it is written in red color. So I would say this as a red, not yellow. Okay, because color of yellow is red. Getting my point? So this is one example. Now next onwards, you can just make it clear by your own self. Next is this. Yes. Then next is this. Yes. Now this. Don't say orange. You have to say green. Remember. This is blue, not pink. This is pink, not brown. This is brown, not white. This is golden, not purple. This is silver, not gold. This is violet, not red. Likewise, we have to give. So in this, basically, how quickly you can tell, that is more important. Okay. So the first one, the answer was B. The first question was, do you all remember that? The segment which can be fitted. So I hope you have written that. Second one, how can you arrange this three toothpicks in a way that it becomes nine? So I said this is the work of creative people. So as you can see, if you just make one toothpick like this and another two in the shape of X, it becomes nine in Roman alphabet. So that is the creativity that you will see. Number of boxes. If you have included the bigger boxes, which were three, then you will get this correct answer 21. And then the shape what you could make with the points connecting, it will be star shape. And last thing, as I told you, you have to be very quick in answering those colors. So I hope you all enjoyed this. And if you have any questions regarding these questions, you can ask us from the comment.